Hey guys, Chevy here. Got Chris in the background. Anyways, so we're gonna get the XO off of Boogerhook tonight. I haven't decided if I'm gonna cut the windshield frame off this and put it on that car or not. Got Josiah helping us too. He's gonna be here all night. He don't know what he got himself into. So we're gonna go drag racing the 18th. And I gotta have a cage. We're gonna get the cage off this thing, get it on that car tonight. Hopefully get everything welded down, mounted up, all that. Maybe get the wheels and tires over. Major shop upgrades. Got the TV going on the wall. I gotta figure out how to make the sound from the TV come out of that boombox thing because it's too quiet. That's what we're up to. We're gonna put you somewhere. See some sparks flying, whatever. We're gonna cut this loose. We'll get it off of here. Then we'll get the other car in here and start test fitting it for it.
Hercules! I think it'll go. Ooh, so strong. Stop. Oh, clean. It's kind of heavy.
A little bit?
No, a lot.
Man, that is a sick vet cart. Dude. Whoa. Small fire by the gas tank. Not a big deal. Yeah. Is it loose?
Should come up, but I don't know why.
Oh, it's that.
It's welded to
It's that door striker. There's a lot of stuff. Jeez.
I think it's loose. That's moved over there. That's
It's loose now. You pooped over here?
yeah.
Yeah, man. It smells so bad already, I can't even tell.
Taste it?
Nah.
There you go. Why does it keep burning my knees? Come on.
Oh man, that tastes awful. Victory. Okay, first official test fit on the car. We got, I think, enough of the plastic and fiberglass trim back that we'll have the landing spots. We're not going to have the back bumper piece right now, so the down support won't be on, but we'll do that later. I cleaned this up a little bit so it's more flat. Chris knocked off those strap tabs that were on the back. We'll plate that, weld those boxes on.
Yay!
We're going to try and fit it on here now.
Ready?
Yep.
Why does it feel heavier all of a sudden?
I can't really reach because of all the stuff up here.
Well, why's not going down on the right?
Dude.
Dude!
Rad.
It was like
cool now. It's just.
I just gotta move that hose and just like that glove.
Dude, meant to be. Nailed it.
Nothing went tragically wrong, and it just like fit on there. Don't do that.
And Boogerhook 2.0.
Oh yeah.
That's called Boogerhook, like a new tattoo.
Yeah.
We need to get a Boogerhook tattoo on this one. Now we call it Boogerhook.
Oh man, that's friggin' rad.
Yeah.
It looks good.
So good.
I'm gonna try to fit in it.
That filler neck position is unfortunate. Just
For the guy putting gas in.
Yeah.
I
I guess just
No, it won't
come
be
in
bad.
from this
You
way, it'll
come
be
in
fine.
right
Yeah.
Oh,
They gotta be that smart.
oh, it's warm in here.
I mean,
I'll cut this out.
nothing to it but to do it.
Yeah. Cut this out and cut that out. I'll get a marker, trim on it, knock these tabs off because we don't need them now.
Oh, don't go that way.
Hey, watch
I feel like I'm doing all the shit. You gotta pick it up. I'm picking it up. I feel like. Uh-oh, we got a pro.
Oh, wait. Where you gotta go?
Down.
Yeah, but
Come back your way a little bit.
There you go.
There it is.
Far too many people.
Yeah. There it is, boys. It's on there. Well, guys, we got this thing set on here for real. Got the mounts tacked on. Got this tacked on here. I have to do a little bit of beating around or whatever. You need to pull this side over and down a little bit. Got this one tacked on. Once we get this thing pulled down to where it needs to be, then we'll be good to go. Almost there.
easy.
Some of that was just right in the way.
Smooth. Yeah, you can go ahead and come cut this nasty fiberglass side.
Gonna have to trim some of that off.
Getting her with the old Tanya Harding.
That's not nice.
It happens.
It's fine. I'm okay with it. I'm just saying. Boys, ever seen a hypnotized rooster?
Why is it so close?
Yeah. Super intense close up.
Well, I don't even know what I'm looking at right now.
Whoops.
Perfect. That's how you know you're getting the right amount of torquage.
Listen for the squeak.
Ooh.
Like a plastic car thing.
We're there on this side. I don't know about. Here, how's your side doing? This side's alright.
You gotta come out a little bit.
Well,
Like right there. Hey, on that side.
good.
We're good on this side.
Perfect.
Cool. Let me throw some spot welds on it.
Yeah. Grandpa camera over there.
That's gonna burn my hand. I can feel it, yeah.
I can try. I don't know how to weld. I'm gonna put my I gotta put these on.
Okay.
As real hands.
That's fine. I don't know how to work this.
What's the red button mean?
Fire! You can't say fire on the radio. You did. Hey guys, Chevy here again. I just stopped here on the way home because I forgot to make an outro and I wanted to make sure I had one. But got a nice little well-lit spot here downtown Sutherland, but wanted to show you this thing outside. Still need to do a lot of finish welding, but we got it on there. Everything's got stitch welds on it to hold it in place. It ain't going anywhere, but man, this thing looks awesome. Josiah was a big help tonight, huh, bud? Anyways, I will keep you guys updated on this thing for sure. Make sure to keep coming back for updates. And have a good one.